Hey y'all, today we are going to be making some peaches and spice cake. Now for this, we have 2 cans of sliced peaches and 100% juice, that is key, 100% juice. And we have a regular spice cake mix. And I will show you how to put this together. Alright y'all, so for the reason why 100% juice is important on our peaches is because we are going to substitute the water that we are supposed to use in our cake mix with the peach juice. In this case, this one calls for 1 cup of water. So we're going to go ahead and strain out 1 cup of water, or 1 cup of juice. Alright, with both cans, it comes exactly to 1 cup of juice. So we did that pretty good. Okay, now for the rest of this, for the cake mix itself, we're going to go ahead and mix it according to the directions, except we're just changing out our water with the juice from the peaches. But everything else will measure out the same. So I'll bring you back when that's good to go. Okay, y'all, so we got our cake mix mixed up. Our oven is preheated to 350 degrees. We have taken our 12-inch cast iron skillet. Now you can use whatever cake pan you have or whichever cake pan you prefer. I like cast iron. I also prefer to show the versatility of cast iron. So I went and I did a thin coating of lard and I did some flour around that, just greased and floured. Alright, so now we are going to go ahead and dump our cake batter into this pan. Alright y'all, so now we have our cake into our pan. We're just going to go ahead and put the peaches in here. Now they're denser than the cake, so they'll sink down. Alright y'all, so I just did a good enough layer of peaches to have just a good single layer of peaches. You can use however many peaches you want or don't want to. So now we have our oven preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to go ahead and throw this in there for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's done. We'll bring you back at that point. Alright y'all, so it's been 28 minutes. We're going to check our cake, see if it's done. All we're going to do is we're going to stick a toothpick in it, pull it out and see if it comes out clean. Didn't come out quite clean, so we're going to go ahead and throw it in for a couple more minutes. And then we're going to stick the toothpick in there again, a new toothpick in there. If it comes out clean, that means it's done. So we'll bring you back when that's done. Alright y'all, so our cake went in for a few more minutes. And as you can see, the toothpick is clean, our cake is done. So I'm going to show you the next step. So now we're just going to go, now that it's done, we're just going to go. And we're going to put a good topping of powdered sugar on top of this thing. Just make it look like it had a light snow. Alright, there we go. There you have it, a peach spice cake. Now this is a great thing for the fall season, which we're in. So take this, cook it up, enjoy it. Alright y'all, if you want to see more recipes like this and a bunch of other different things, go ahead, click that like and subscribe button down below. And until next time, keep on cooking on.